Do it again. Hold it so I can try to see it. First no start. No. Huh?
It's a tiny split. I would have seen it before.
Right. It must have spent just a little bit.
Oh, that shit split no more.
Shit.
Damn, they got filled up with water. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. So, yep, you don't have to. Because this is a fuel pump. It's a 10 amp.
So even though
It's supposed to be 15. So,
Did you see the spark jump out when you got it wet?
yeah.
yep.
But now it's not missing. Which was it, 4?
Yeah.
It's probably too far away right now. Like if you put it right down here, I think it should miss.
Yeah, and you can hear it once you tap it, once you put it close to the block,
Yeah, so let's
you can hear it. He's gonna get it to jump.
use this to kind of move the wires around so we don't get shocked and stuff. We can see it. Probably when it gets close like that, then it will start misfiring. I think I might give this a clear through.
So when you first and around shitty when it's close. Yeah. Right. Yep, so no crank, no start. When you look up the codes, it says look up the cam sensor, which you'll have to remove these hoses, remove the belt, remove the pump. No check engine light no more. Fuses, no more.
Well, I couldn't see it that way.
Yeah. What year is this? 2006 Impala. Very common, very clean. And my guy that be walking away, man, that's the Michael Jordan of auto mechanics. My guy Jordan. Help me get my Infinity back up and running. Clear.